Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off vanish mode on Instagram, first open up Instagram app. But before we proceed guys, do make sure to subscribe to my channel because it gives me a lot of motivation and support. And with that being said, let's open up the Instagram app. And from over here guys, let's go to the chat section of the messenger section of our Instagram. To do that, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a messenger icon. Tap on it, and over here guys, open up a chat box of a person of whom you have hidden or turned on the vanish mode. You can see guys, I had turned on the vanish mode for this person. Now in order to turn it off, at the right side of the screen, wherever there is like a free space, you can tap over there and swipe up, and you can see guys this kind of option up here when we start to swipe up, where it says the swipe up to turn off vanish mode, and you will be required to swipe up until the circle is completed. And you can see when the circle is complete, it says release to turn off vanish mode. And let's do that, and you can see, let's do that again, and you can see the vanish mode has been turned off. And similarly you can also turn it on that way. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.